Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Nissan Maxima front bumper. First, ensure you have a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool ready. Begin by opening the hood and carefully removing the plastic clips and screws that secure the top edge of the bumper to the radiator support. This initial step is crucial for accessing further fasteners. Next, move to the wheel wells. Turn your front wheels inward to gain better access. You'll find several screws and plastic clips connecting the bumper to the fender liner. Carefully remove these on both sides. Then, get underneath the vehicle to remove any remaining clips or bolts securing the bumper to the undercarriage splash shield. Now, focus on the area around the grille and headlights. There are often a few more clips and screws hidden here, sometimes behind the grille itself or beneath the headlight units. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry these out. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic tabs or painted surfaces during this step. With all fasteners removed, the bumper should now be loose. Gently pull each side of the bumper away from the fender, releasing the final retaining clips. Be mindful of any electrical connections for fog lights or sensors. Disconnect these before fully pulling the bumper away. Always place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to prevent any scratches or damage during storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.